task management tool of Microsoft Office 365 Productivity Suite. It helps you and your team to organize your daily tasks to ensure the completion of tasks on time. You can assign tasks to your subordinates and easily track the progress. Sometimes you need to collaborate with partners or consultants outside of your organization as well. For example, your team had been assigned a project which needs to be delivered to your client, that is, another organization. As the project lead, you have divided the project plan into modules. You created a plan for the project in Microsoft Planner, created the modules as buckets, further created the task to be covered and assigned the task to the team members. Created tasks for this project that has to be done by your team members. After some time, your client also want to know the progress status on the project and how you are managing the task. For this, you might be sending him the progress report every day through emails, but that may result in the flooding of mails in his inbox. So to help you tackle such situations, Microsoft Planner now lets you add the users in your plan from outside your organization as well. With this, they will be able to communicate with you and access the plan file easily. So let me show how you can add external users using Office 365 in your plans as guest access. Firstly, open your Microsoft Planner. So as you all can see that I have already opened my planner. Once it will open, the home page of my planner will open, that is Planner Hub. This is my favorite plan and all my plans are over here. Right now I'll open this plan, Marketing Campaign. So here you can see all my tasks on my plan board aligned according to their buckets. So to add an external user in the group which is using Office 365 account, I will simply click on More Options icon on the top of this channel. Once I clicked here, I'll be able to see multiple options over here. From these options, I'll select Members. So as you all can see, it will take me to my People app, which is a part of Outlook. This is the group created for the marketing campaign plan with the same name as that of the plan. It has been created by default. So here I can see all the members of this plan. If I click on Owners, I can see owner of the plan. And if I click on Guest, I can see all the guests in this plan. So there is only one guest over here. Now to add a new guest user, click on this option Add Members. As soon as I clicked here, I'll be able to see this window in the right hand side of this page. Under Add Members dialog box, I'll give the email ID of the guest user. Here you can see this label on the ID as guest. I'll select this. You can add as many as users in this plan. After adding members, I'll click on this option Save to save my changes. So here you can see the name of the guest user over here. Remember one thing, you can add guest in any group or plan if there is permission from your admin to add guest in a plan or group. So here you can see this user added as a guest in this plan. You will be able to see this globe icon with the guest user ID, which is indicating that this user is from outside the organization. And if I go to my all members, by clicking on this option all, I can see the name of external user here also. And if I switch to my plan, so here, if I click on this task card and go over here and search for the guest user, so here you can see this user ID that I just added as a guest. So you can easily assign any task to any of the guest user easily.
So it's all about this feature. Hope you liked it. Hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our Foetron Cloud Academy channel to know what you can do more with Microsoft Office 365. Thank you.